So this is pound dollar analysis for Monday the 3rd of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where price may likely go. So we did see this pretty strong move here to the upside take us towards that 130.37, in around that 130.37. We did encounter resistance. We've tested on a couple of occasions. We weren't able to break above that 130.37. We saw this breakdown beyond the 130.03, came pretty close towards a test of 129.3, brief rally back above the 130.03, failed, and what we did see was prices did break through 29.83, briefly broke above. So this continuation closed the market in around that 129, in towards the 129.50s. We saw a gap down the market down towards a 200 period moving average, had a brief rally, had these somewhat smaller candles, open to range candles, not showing not much strength in the market, and what we are seeing at the moment is a further breakdown in prices. Currently we're testing that 200 period moving average, so if we do see this continuation here to the downside, the very next level of note is a move down towards that 28.79, successful break from which look to see our price react towards that 400 period moving average. But the very next horizontal level of note, if we do break down from this 28.79, is a move down towards that 27.74 here on the pound against the dollar. If however we can find support in around this 129 and this 200 period moving average, or at 28.79, and we do see a move counter to this move that we've seen more recently, we do see a continuation, well, we do see a move back to the upside, back above the 200 period moving average. The very next level of note is of course 28.983, successful break from which we're looking for move towards at 130, and if we do see strong continuation, possibly even at 130.37 may be tested here on the pound against the dollar. What we'll do now is have a look here at the higher time frame, see how prices are developing. So on the monthly chart here of the pound against the dollar, we've seen we were trending upwards, formed a bit of a flag, saw a subsequent breakdown in prices. We have seen a bit of a pullback here in August, but we still close the month bearish, so there still remains a degree of bearishness to this market. We'll see if we do see that follow through, if we can, especially if we can hold below the 129 here. In particular, if we can hold below the 129 and at 129.83, if we can hold below these levels, we may just see lower prices here on the pound against the dollar. We'll have a look here at the weekly chart. So on this weekly chart, you can see we've encountered the 200 period moving average here, had a bit of a double top in around that 143 level. So this continued sell side momentum. We've had price come down towards let's just see where that is. We've had prices come down towards the 26.73, I think it was. Yes, in towards that 26.73. Trade slightly below the 26.73. We've seen a bit of a recovery here. So we are seeing a bit of a counter trend recovery, but this may just be a pullback. So there remains a degree of caution, especially after seeing that rejection of that 130.37. So we'll see if we can post a possibly higher low and see continuation to the upside, but the overall trend since in 2018 has been to the downside here on the pound against dollar. Finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart, we can see here we had price come down towards a 26.73, brief recovery, consolidation, pullback, strong bullish buy side momentum, fall through towards a 130.37. Also seen a bit of a pullback. We've had a gap down in the market, so we'll see if we retrace this entire move, or if we can find support in around 28.79 possibly, and go for a retest of that 130.37. If we can break there, very next level of note we're looking at is a move possibly towards our 32.20. We do have the 400 period moving average here on the pound against the dollar. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the pound dollar analysis. Thanks for watching.